Pupunta kami ng mga kaibigan ko sa LU. Hi guys, so it's currently February 20 and I'm currently preparing kasi pupunta kami ng mga kaibigan ko sa LU. Magstay lang kami doon for 2 nights and 3 days. So bale, uwi rin kami ng Sunday. And yeah, this is my outfit on the way there. Bye! Hello! Pakita mo, Lord, kung gano'n.
Papayas mo na?
Cup? May dala akong isang cup eh. Yung panggabi.
Ilang oras kami sa ano?
We're the time.
Ano yung back mo kayo?
Hi!
Wala akong storage eh. Pwede pa airdrop na lang.
Sige. Ba yan? Base card decline. Nagkakalamansi pala ako, Jay. Sorry. Calamares? Walang calamares. Thanks. Thank you, Lord.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, yung utak niya pala pa-portrait kasi.
Ano?
Yung utak niya pa-portrait. So we're currently going back to our hotel kasi babalik kami mainit. Ano ba yun? At dito kami nagsistay sa Russia Trash. Let's go! Pag ikaw sinipa ako, check ka. Oo. Nakakatakot yung waves. Parang sinasabi, swimming ka, sige, saan mo ba gusto matagpuan mamayang gabi? Kaya pilo ko kinakain ka niyo, tapos... Pambalis na dyan.
Just me and you.
Akala mo naman talaga magsisurf silang lahat. Chill,
Let's touch the sky. Dance in the summer heat.
Ikaw!
Move your
Surfer! Let's
sun and
go!
sand so sweet.
Parang dok.
Summer days can't be beat.
Cringe moment!
Breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer.
Hi, so we're currently at Bobo. Hi, so we're currently at Kabsat because of their buy one take one cocktails. And we are currently watching the sunset right in front of us. And here's our current view. Thank you, Lord. It's eating time. Agad SMU? Wala sa SMU. Ay, malamig doon. Mag-flashlight na lang kayo.
Sun is shining bright.
Kasi kami ni Aaron, di kami kawawa.
Pero di ka rin makita yung
Everybody hands up. Wave to the left. Wave to the
Waves
right.
are crashing gently.
Hi guys, so it's currently Feb 21, 10 a.m. and we're gonna go grab some breakfast before we go to Imuki Island. And here's my outfit check.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hi guys, nasa Baluarte kami ni JM. Baluarte ng ano to? Ano, San Juan pa ba to?
Nasa loob.
At ang ganda ng beach. Pero ano ba to eh?
Sige tayo din.
Oh. The beach is currently at the beach. Pa-picture naman ng pa-picture tong pangit na to. Ay, ang sakit.
Oh, isa!
Nasaan si Julia?
Julia nandun.
Ellie. Okay guys, itutour ko kayo sa baluarte ko. Aray! May umiihing ba? Tagago, nagulat naman ako. Papapicture sana ako pero kasi nakalimutan ko ako pala yung tourist spot. Ganun. Ganda.
Pinatira po kayong ulam.
May ulam kayo dyan, ma'am?
Penge, matikane.
General ni Philippines! Yan ang Black in Top!
Medyo, yes, oo, bago dami. Somebody to love. Every single time I feel like my last step to the beat of my Udon mama, for our dessert. Sarap! Hi guys, so it's our last day today here at San Juan. Tawag dito. Uminom kami ng malala kagabi, so we woke up late. And susunod na lang kami sa ano yung pagbabransyan namin ng mga friends ko. init. May beach ba na malamig? Di ba wala naman? Si ba't nag-iinarte kang mainit?
The streets are alive, the colors ignite. Dancing feet move under golden light. Palm trees sway to the congas beat. Every soul's alive, no room for defeat. The rhythm's calling louder and clear. Feel the fire, the music's near. Fiesta en el corazón. We're the fire, we're the sun. Fiesta en el corazón. Life's a party, it's begun.
Tulog ka lang. Okay, sabong time. Airdrop. Airdrop incoming.